Now in this, we're going through, and let me see here. We got A, B, C, and then A, B, C, D, and then A, B, C. Okay, so that's what I'll work with. So if I run this, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C. Let's come up with this this input. Okay, let's see. Current string is blanks. Oh, that's not used. Okay. Well, I is equal to 1. I is less than s dot length. I plus plus. Okay. S dot character at. To begin with, I think you'd want to start this at 0. But let's see. Let's see, character C. Then down here, I'm going to say C is equal to S dot character. Oh, you do a -1. Never mind. Okay, so that's checking the that against the previous one. So that would be correct. You're starting at 1, that'd be right. Okay, and if it's greater than, then you want to tack that current character, the I -1, onto your current string. Okay, current string is blank. Perfect. Okay. Now if longest length, okay, is less than current string length, and string placeholder it's less than, so it'll be less than every time, which means this is the new longest one. It'll keep overwriting this in theory. Let's see. Okay, placeholder's at longest is equal to placeholder. Okay, that should be right there. What I'd probably do is you're starting this, and then you're looping through the characters till the end. And I'd have to think about this length. That's probably correct what you got there, but and you're checking if it's greater than. If it's not greater than, if it's less than, then you want to take the string you've identified, like this one right here, and you want to then check it. So down here, and we'll see if this is right what I'm thinking of. So I'm down here. I'm saying else. Ran across a character not or ran across a character that was less than or equal to. For example, we were going A, B, C, and then A. So we'd be sitting on the A. Okay, so then I'm going to check here if current string, where you're storing it at, dot length is greater than longest. dot length. Then that means you found a string longer. So I'm going to say longest is equal to current string. Okay. Let's see, down here printing the longest. And if I come up here, let me think about this. Longest length is less than the current length. I probably don't need to worry about that. So this right here, I'm going to comment out. Remember how. There. Okay, so that's going to build a string. And then, of course, down here, I want to reset the current string. So I'll say current string equals blanks. And then it starts over the process. Now let's just run this, see if I'm even halfway close. I love string problems. They're just kind of fun to me. ABC, ABCD, ABC. And it's not working. Because it should have been ABCD. So let's see what I did wrong. I'm going to put a breakpoint here. And I guess a breakpoint here. And I'll do debug. Debug project. And I'll do ABC, ABCD, ABC. Press enter. Okay. Current string blanks. Okay. And the question is how to make that disappear. Push that way. I don't know. Well, I guess I leave it there. Okay, so then I'm going to do a continue. And hits this. And let's see what it's... current string is still... blanks, which shouldn't be, because I could just watch it down here, couldn't I? That's interesting. I guess maybe I never have put that there before. Go away. Okay, there it went away. So let me stop that. Let me try it again. Debug. Debug project. I won't sit there and focus on how to get rid of the box and focus on what it's doing. Okay, so we're down here, and currently current string is blanks, which it should be. Now if we do a continue, comes down here, it's equal to A, which is what it should be. Do another continue, it's AB, that's perfect. And but it's not perfect because notice down here I'm down at the code kicks out at the else, and that should say ABC at this point. So it looks like, let me stop this. Okay, I'm tacking on that. It's when it kicks out here, I want to do a current string equals current string plus s dot character at I minus 1. I think that should do it. Let me get rid of these breakpoints. Should do it and get an error. Let's try that. Okay, now I'll try to run it. We got ABC, ABCD, ABC. The longest consecutive string is ABCD. Let's see if that's what they're actually saying. Write a program that prompts user and it displays a maximum consecutive increasingly order substring. Analyze the time complexity. Okay, so let me put in another one. A B C A B C D G A B M N S X Y. And A B C D G A B M N S X Y. So now notice what it came up with. That isn't what the book says it should come up with, which implies that my last one isn't working correctly. So let me see here. Okay, so I'm checking the current one against the previous one. And then I'm attacking it on. But if I'm at the very end, then I'm never getting to this code right here. So I think what I want is I want to copy this code and put it down here outside my loop. Of course, it's not liking something. What's that bulb mean? Cannot find symbol. I, because I is no longer available outside of the loop. So what is I though? I is the length minus 1. So let me copy that and come down here. That might need to be minus 2, but let's try that and see. Okay, longest is equal to that. First, try the basic one we did. ABC, ABCD, ABC. Okay, that works when it's in the middle of the string. Okay, then the one out of the book, we got ABC, ABC, D, G, A, B, M, N, S, X, Y. Okay, now what if it's the very first of the string? Let's test that case. A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, works there fine. And anyway, that's how to handle those. Strings are always kind of a challenge. I like them because they're kind of interesting. And you're right. This is you know, how you get your start time and then you record the end time. But to be honest, I'm not very familiar with this. Current time millis. No little pop-up box telling me what that means. Okay, dot current. There. Returns current time in milliseconds. Note that while a unit of time there is a millisecond, the granularity of the value depends on the underlying operating system, may be larger. For example, okay, blah 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 blah. Okay. See also date. Huh. Oops. And then you got the, you getting it again. And that's subtracting 2. Seconds is declared as long. Light bulb here. What's that say? The sign value is never used. And then plus second plus. This is actually milliseconds, not seconds, but ABC, ABCD, ABC. Try it again. ABC, ABC. I don't know how many before I'd have it blow up. Let's try that. Ah, there it took 1 millisecond. I guess it was just going so fast that we weren't seeing the results of it. So anyway, that's how you'd can check to see whether it's went to the end. And a lot of this I can't tell myself. If I did not have the debugging feature here, I would spend a long time on this. That debugging kind of really helps push along. Not that it didn't take me quite a while to figure that out anyway. But again, use that debug project. Really helps you figure out what's going on.